Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Here's the national weather forecast for Friday, the 7th of February. And once again, widespread rain with embedded thunderstorms expected across the tropical north, all the way from the Kimberley to the central Queensland coast. Much drier away from those areas, but we could see the development of some severe thunderstorms across the Victoria-New South Wales border and around Canberra and the ACT. And a little southerly wind through these areas here will keep temperatures a touch cooler across some of those southern places. Imagine a line that runs from somewhere just north of Birdsville all the way across to about Bundaberg. North of that line, very high chance of rain and possible thunderstorms through the day on Friday. We could see rivers flooding through really any of the vast river network through northern and inland Queensland. And where thunderstorms develop, localised flash flooding is possible too. And yes, that does include the very wet northeast. In fact, we have a second severe weather video on our front page, which does go through some detail for the northeast if you're interested there. In the southeast, from about Bundaberg down to Coolangatta, we have got drier conditions. A couple of showers possible, but nothing like the rainfall further north, and it's looking dry in the southwest as well. A warm and sunny day for much of eastern and northern New South Wales. Temperatures in the 30s along the coast, potentially 40s for inland spots, maybe a light shower or two from Coffs Harbour northwards. The day will start off warm and sunny for these southern places too, but around about 2 o'clock we expect the development of some showers and storms for the southern Illawarra, for the south coast, for the Snowy Mountains, the southern tablelands, as well as around the ACT. And these storms could tend severe through the afternoon or early evening, which would mean areas of heavy rain that could lead to flash flooding, damaging wind gusts and large hail, all possible across those southern districts. A warm night tonight will mean a warm start to the day across Victoria on Friday, but those maximum temperatures won't quite live up to the promises of the warm morning, because during the morning we'll see a cool wind spread across southern Victoria, keeping most temperatures capped in the mid-20s. Those cooler conditions won't reach the north, which is why those high temperatures will still be in the upper 30s there. Dry through western Victoria on Friday, but eastern areas, including possibly the outer suburbs of Melbourne, could see an afternoon shower or thunderstorm. That won't hit absolutely everyone, but those that do see it will certainly know about it, because those storms could turn severe with damaging wind, large hail and heavy rainfall, all possible for the day on Friday. A warm morning also in Tasmania. We may even brush 30 degrees in some northern areas through the first part of the day, but anticipating conditions to really cloud over through the morning, and cooler winds will arrive by about lunchtime and temperatures will start to drop. A little drizzle is possible through the afternoon under mostly cloudy skies. Not a lot of rainfall, but a couple of millimetres is possible pretty much anywhere in the state. We will see some milder temperatures across southern parts of South Australia due to the onshore wind up from the south, and maybe even a light spot of drizzle as well, but no significant falls. Maintaining very hot weather across northern parts of the state, with 1 or 2 thunderstorms possible around the northwest pastoral district. And it's sunny with very little chance of rain across our urban centres in Western Australia. Mid-30s to low 40s for the west and the northwest. A little cooler along parts of the south coast with some breezy conditions, and maybe a light spot of wet weather down in those areas. And monsoon conditions are imminent up here, and we're certainly starting to see that change in the weather pattern, which with much cloudier skies across northern areas. We've got a lot of rainfall as well, and some slightly cooler maximum temperatures. Anywhere north of Tennant Creek could see some rain, and if the storms develop there, potentially some locally heavy falls, including across the Kimberley. For the southern half of the NT and down towards the Pilbara, it is going to continue to be dry, hot and sunny. You can always get your latest weather information and check in on any warnings on the Bureau's website and app. Thanks so much for watching.